Ultimate Notion Life Planner,
Beat procrastination and organize your life. Feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks and scattered notes? Can't remember what you planned yesterday? You're not alone. Procrastination affects millions of us every day. But what if you could have one single dashboard to see your whole life at a glance? Today, I'll show you how to build your own Ultimate Notion Life Planner. Beat procrastination, plan smarter, and finally stay organized. Why we procrastinate? Quick psychology. Our brains avoid complex tasks, love quick rewards. Too many tools, cognitive overload, freeze. Missing structure and clear next actions is the number one trigger for procrastination. The solution? Simplify everything into one clear system. A messy mind starts with a messy system. Let's fix that. How structure beats overwhelm. Visual dashboards reduce mental load. Daily, weekly, and monthly views help see what's coming. Habit trackers build small wins and dopamine hits. Finance trackers remove money stress. Linked databases mean you write once, reuse everywhere. Imagine waking up, opening Notion, and everything, tasks, budget, goals, is right there. That's clarity. Notion walkthrough, daily, weekly, and monthly daily page. Top 3 priorities, tasks, quick journal, mood tracker. Weekly view, upcoming events, weekly goals, reflection. Monthly view, big projects, financial overview, habit totals. Walk viewers through each. How to create linked databases. Use filters to see today, this week, this month. Add icons, covers, and color for visual cues. Adding habit and finance trackers. Habit tracker, daily checkboxes, auto totals, weekly and monthly. Finance tracker, income, expenses, categories. How to add charts and progress bars. Link monthly totals to the dashboard. Staying motivated. Sunday review ritual. Monthly reflection page. What worked, what didn't. Celebrate small wins. Weekly review shows progress. Add quotes, photos, or vision board for inspiration. It's not just about planning. It's about living more intentionally. Try my Notion Life Planner. Want to skip building from scratch? I've designed a fully customizable, aesthetic Notion Life Planner you can duplicate today. Daily dashboard, weekly review, habit and finance trackers, all in one. Link is in the description. Let's build a life you actually love to plan. Thank viewers. Invite to comment questions and share how they plan. Ask to subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips.